Hey, it's Perry from GearDiary.com, and I'm here with Weber's first ever wood pellet grill. This is the Weber SmokeFire. What we're going to do here is we're going to do a preview video today, going over some of the features of the grill now that we have it in our hands. And then later we'll follow up with a full review video after we've had a chance to cook on it a few times. This is the SmokeFire EX4. It has 24 inches of cooking space inside the grill. Weber designed this grill to be able to smoke low and slow at 200 degrees, as well as grill high heat up to 600 degrees. It's made of a porcelain enamel to prevent rusting and cracking. Weber designed the SmokeFire with an inclined auger, which is supposed to prevent fire from traveling from the fire pot back into the hopper. Weber introduced a number of innovative features that are brand new for pellet grills, including a perforated firebox that allows ash to fall into the ash and grease collection tray, makes for easy cleanup. An inclined auger that's meant to protect fire from traveling from the firebox into the pellet hopper. A declining pellet hopper to make sure that your pellets are always traveling toward the auger to be fed into the grill. As well as the use of Weber's flavorizer bars inside of the grill, which are used instead of a traditional diffuser, as well as a drip tray. Weber also partnered with June, makers of the popular Smart Oven, to create a brand new operating system from the ground up for their grills. It has a really nice LED interface, a nice, easy to use knob, and it's really one of the nicest computers I've used on a pellet grill. The EX4 has about 672 square inches of cooking space inside the grill, on the top as well as the bottom. Let's take a close-up look at some of these neat features. Alright, let's take a look under the hood. We've got 2 levels of chrome-plated steel cooking grates. We'll take them out real quick. Very easy to remove. Here you'll see the flavorizer bars, along with the flavorizer diffuser. Got one large diffuser there, and then the inner diffuser right there. You can see the inclined auger there, the temperature probe right there, and you've got your 3 rear vents right there that allow for even heat distribution throughout the cooking chamber. I took out the diffuser so that we could see the perforated fire pot down there, and you can also see the inclined auger there coming up from the pellet hopper, and then this slide delivers the pellets down to the fire pot. The glow plug is inside the fire pot. Here's a look directly down into the fire pot. You've got the glow plug right there, the perforated firebox. The pellets slide down here from the inclined auger, and you can see here where the grease collects and the channels right down into the drawer below for easy cleanup. She's nice and pretty inside for now because we haven't cooked on her yet. Here's a look inside the pellet hopper. It has a 22-pound capacity, and you can see that it ramps down to the auger, and the pellets enter the auger through there. And there's also a pellet dump right there. And here, what's interesting is this is a pellet sensor. So it'll actually sense when it runs out of pellets and let you know. So you can put more in, so you don't have to stop cooking or run out of pellets in the middle of the night. Weber told me that I'll be receiving a new hopper ramp accessory that'll help pellets slide down to the auger easier. Here's a close-up look at the SmokeFire's computer, powered by the June operating system. It's got a really nice backlit LED display. It's really easy to see at night. You can see the really large numbers to really see what you're doing there. You've got just a really easy to use dial to set the temperature. You've got menu buttons here. You can use that button to link your phone. You can also set timers, a number of timers on here, which is pretty neat. What's also nice about this computer is that it connects to Wi-Fi and the Weber Connect app. So it's really easy. You can pull up your phone, tell your grill to start or stop remotely, And coming soon in an update, you'll be able to change the temperature remotely as well. You can see that the computer has 4 probe ports you plug in right underneath here, and it does come with 1 probe. What's also nice is that it comes with a probe organizer. Not a lot of grills actually come with this, so you can just wrap your probe around it and it keeps it nice and neat. It also comes with a plastic scraper, and that's just used to scrape down the grease from the flavorizer barbs. So this is the first time that I'm using the grill. I'm going to season it based on Weber's recommendations, which is to set the temperature to 600 degrees and let it run for about an hour. So what you do is you just hit the dial, turn it all the way, and then you just tap it one more time to start the heat up. You hear the fan starting and the auger starting as well. Let's take a look inside. This is my first time starting the grill, so there weren't a lot of pellets in the auger, so you can see they're just starting to come up through the inclined auger. We'll give it some time to fill up. You can see the glow plug is already burning red. Can you see that? That means it's ready to heat up the pellets once they hit the fire pot. You can see the pellets now are coming up the inclined auger and sliding down the pellet slide into the fire pot. Alright, so we're doing the first burn-in on the SmokeFire right now. I just opened the grill to check out what it looks like inside. That's why it's only at 570, but it'll come back up to 600. We'll leave it there for an hour to burn off some of the oils on the diffuser plate and season the grill. And we're going to do some cooks on it before we get back to you with a full review. So keep watching the Gear Diary YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time.